Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to be able to get down and dirty with these products right here. This is a new Sailor Moon line and this is by ColourPop. Do you want to know what I think about these sets? Stay tuned. So, first thing that I do want to say is I honestly did not buy this to actually use it. If I use it, great. I don't know how much I will use it because of the color scheme in here. That's just not my normal colors. Maybe in the spring or the summer, I might use this a few times or at least use some of the colors from it. I'm not sure, but I really genuinely did not purchase it to actually use it. I purchased it because it's Sailor Moon. My brother is 7 years older than me. We do not really have a good relationship now, unfortunately. But when I was a kid, he would actually sell Sailor Moon products online. I don't know if it was like an eBay thing back then, because I'm talking a long time ago. I was so small that I was actually using my allowance or my babysitting money to actually buy things from him myself. And he did take me to like one of the conventions at one time, and I was able to buy some stuff from there. And it just, Sailor Moon brings back really good memories of a time where we were actually good together as siblings. So anytime he got new product, he would always show me, and we would actually watch the show together, him and his girlfriend at the time, who now is like a sister to me, more of a sister to me than he is a brother to me. But either way, all three of us absolutely love Sailor Moon. Well, at least I know me and Anna did. I don't know if my brother really loved it or if he just wanted to sell it, but I have like cards, like playing cards. I have collectible cards. I have a glass drinking set. I used to have scrolls and stickers, and my whole room ended up being Sailor Moon at one point. So when I saw this, I just really wanted to get it just to add to my collection for the simple fact that it brings back some really good childhood memories for me. That's the only reason. I even had a cat at one time that I called Artemis from this show. So I really love Sailor Moon, and that's why I got it. I mean, really, I did not get it to actually use it, but I did try to do this look. And if you guys follow me, you know this palette is really not something that I normally grab for because they're too light of colors. But again, I knew that. So going over the packaging, which I never keep the actual packaging of products other than the whole complete ColourPop Disney villain set that I have, because it's a whole PR set and I have everything still in there. But this, I'm actually keeping the packaging because the packaging to me looks better than the product inside. So here's the outside with the Sailor Moon, and this is just the iconic Sailor Moon that I love. And then here's the colors on the back. And then when you open this baby up, it has this one on the inside. So that is why I definitely want to keep this, because this is just like the standard in her little schoolgirl outfit. And then this is like more of the normal, but it looks like it's supposed to like move because it has like that little effect, but I don't really see it doing much. I mean, maybe just that, the mouth open and close, I don't know. But here's the outside of the packaging, and then the inside, there's no mirror, which you guys know I don't mind. I take that out. And then here are all of the colors. Very, very light, very, very pastel, but so Sailor Moon. When you think of Sailor Moon, when I think of Sailor Moon, I think of light pinks, light purples, the yellows, that kind of thing. Unless you're gonna go towards her outfit and you're gonna think dark red and dark blue. But mainly these pastel colors are just so Sailor Moon. So I'm so glad to have this. I really wanted to buy the whole entire set, but by the time I was checking out and trying to pay, of course, it was sold out. So then I was just trying to buy everything individually, which I would have paid just a hair more. And then again, this blush was sold out. Then that blush was sold out. Then this highlighter was sold out. I think there was highlighter. Then this was sold out. So I was only able to grab the 2 lip sets and the palette. Eventually, I will go and buy the others just to have the entire collection once they restock. And again, I know I'm not gonna probably use any of it. I just have to have it because it's Sailor Moon. So again, here are all of the colors, you guys, and I will go ahead and swatch this light thing for you. And I did struggle. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I did struggle doing my eye look because of the simple fact that it's all light colors, and I just don't know what to do with just light colors. I have to have some darkness, and that's just my own personal preference. So let me get my fingers in here. Let me swatch this for you guys. Okay guys, so here, telling you, it's really light. So here is the entire palette. Now, one thing I do need to say, this one right here that you can already start seeing a dip in it, this is wet. Like this is very wet to the touch. I don't know what kind of consistency is it, but you can literally take your finger and push. Look at, you can push, it's wet. Now I can actually push that back down, but it is wet. So of course, when I was trying to figure out which one of these to put on my lower lid, and I felt that this was wet, I don't know why I decided to use that one. I guess that's just me. I'm like, ooh, let me just use the wet one and see what that looks like. But it wasn't showing up very well for me. So then I went back in afterwards and added this one to it to make it a little bit more noticeable, I guess. I'm not sure, but this one is very, very wet. And you can see when, I mean, it's very wet. I don't know why or what kind of consistency that's supposed to be, but it's very moist. So when I started my look, I don't have like a white to start my base like I normally do. So I went ahead and went in with this Shining Moon to set my base. And then I went in with Moon Castle right here to go into the top part. Then to darken that bad boy up, I went in with Miracle Romance, which this is like a fuchsia, purplish, pinkish color. And then in my corner, I went in with Luna, which is right here. And then I went in with this and then this for my lower lid. And then I kind of just followed some of the colors down on the bottom, but there is not really a dark color for me to comfortably do the look that I would like. And again, I already knew that, but you guys wanted me to try it on and show you this palette. So that's what I'm doing for you guys. The yellow is like a pastel yellow. These three colors here are going to be the darkest, obviously, as you can tell from the whole entire thing. Those are the only ones that stand out, other than this one right here, which that is the Moonchild? No, Moon Castle. Moonchild. Moon Castle. I do think this is pretty, like, especially like I said, in the spring or the summer, if I wanted to do more of a pastel look, especially like on my lower lid situation, I could always grab this and then grab another one to get a little darker impact in the corner, which would be fine. Like if I had a darker color just to right now, I would probably totally be fine with this look. But it's Sailor Moon. It is Sailor Moon, you guys. So that is why I have it. That is why I'm going to keep it. And I'm definitely keeping it in this box because it's Sailor Moon. And this is after all day wear. And I'm not gonna lie, it actually grew on me after filming. It grew on me more and more throughout the day. But yeah, this is how it looks after all day. And I'm gonna keep these boxes too. So here are the two lip products. They're two different styles. One is called Daylight and one is called Moonlight. So here are the packaging. Her and her cat. Here is the back of them. And then let's go ahead and go in with Moonlight first and let's swatch these. So this is what they look like. They have the moons on the top. Very, very pretty. So we have an ultra blotted lip and then an ultra glossy lip. So this one is going to be, oh, this is very light. Like you can see my skin through it. It's very light. So there's that color. Let's see what that looks like on. So it just gives me a light pink color. So it's not too bad. I'm normally not a pinky kind of gal, but that's not bad because it's just a little bit of a pink, a little tiny bit of a pink. So there's that one. Then the gloss for this guy, it's like that type of a tip. And it's right there next to it. Ooh, that feels so much better now. It like dried down. It feels good. So let me just put this over the top of it then as a lip topper. Lip topper. Oh, this smells scrumptious. So I just put it over the top. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. I don't remember this one smelling good. I don't think this one did. No, that one doesn't smell like anything, but this one smells amazing. Yes, it does. So there's those two together. Now let's go ahead and go in with the other set. And this one is Daylight. So, oh, and they have colors on them. I'm sorry, you guys. So this one that I put on first, which is the Ultra Blotted Lip, this one is colored Bunhead 20B3. And then this one here, the lip topper, is Sailor Moon 20B3. So then these two, the Ultra Blotted Lip is in color USAGI 20B3. And then this one is also 20B3, and it says Moon Tiara for this ultra glossy lip. So here's the two for the second set. And let's swatch them. And this is almost the same color, very light, just the same. That's weird that they wouldn't have like a better colored variation, because these are very, very close in color. Like, you would think I just swatched the same color. The new colors are right here on the top. The old color is down there. Yes. So those two look like they're almost the same exact color. That's a little weird, but okay. Let's try on the other one, even though it's probably gonna look the same color. All right. So again, it's a light pink color. This one might stand out a little bit more, but I did like 3 coats on this one. So now let me go ahead and add this. I can tell a little difference because this one doesn't have a pink. It's more of like a, I don't know. And again, this gloss smells amazing. So there's those two colors combined. So this was the Daylight set. But again, it's so freaking close to the other one. Like, look at the colors together. I don't know. That's just, that to me, that's a little too close for comfort. If you're gonna have 2 different sets, have them 2 different colors, not off by a hair. I don't know. That's just me. But again, I didn't buy it to wear it. I bought it for the collection. So I'm okay. I'm okay. That is very pinky. Woo, that is very pinky. Ah, that is very pinky. Woo. There we have it, you guys. So those are the 2 different lip sets. Okay, so there's just a gloss only without the other color. This is just the Ultra Glossy Lip by itself. And this one I'm using from the Moonlight set. This one was Sailor Moon. So there you go, you guys. That is everything that I have. Everything that I got, because again, the other ones were all sold out, but eventually on a future purchase, once they are back in stock, I will try to get the rest of them just so I can complete that collection. And again, I did not buy this so I could use it. I bought it solely just to have, because it brings back so many wonderful memories of when I was a child and how I came across Sailor Moon and watching Sailor Moon with them and collecting Sailor Moon with them. And it brings back so many wonderful memories that I just wanted to have that memory back. So it's kind of bringing everything back. So that's what I'm all about. That's why I'm loving this palette right now. And it's again, it's not for the products, it's for the packaging, it's for the memories and all of that. So I'm so excited to now have this to my collection. And yeah, so you guys comment down below, did you purchase anything from this collection? Or are you trying to? Did you want to? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So you wanted to see this, I showed it to you, there you go, I did it for you. So again, thank you so much to each and every one of you, and until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.